Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2013 Audi Q5 2-liter TDI S line Quattro, a premium SUV offering a perfect balance of performance, luxury, and practicality. At the front, the Audi Q5 features the iconic single-frame grille, sleek xenon headlights with LED daytime running lights, and a sculpted bumper, giving it a bold and refined appearance. From the side, the Q5 stands out with 19-inch alloy wheels, high ground clearance, and elegant body lines. At the rear, the Q5 showcases stylish LED taillights and a single exhaust system, complementing its refined design. Powered by a 2-liter TDI diesel engine, the Q5 delivers strong performance with excellent fuel efficiency. The Quattro all-wheel drive system and smooth automatic transmission provide superior handling and traction in all conditions. Step inside to experience a premium black and cream leather interior with heated front seats for maximum comfort. The advanced infotainment system includes Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, cruise control, and an intuitive navigation system for a seamless driving experience. The spacious rear seats offer ample legroom and comfort for passengers, making long journeys more enjoyable. The split folding rear seats provide added flexibility for cargo and storage needs. The Audi Q5 offers a generous boot space, perfect for family trips or carrying luggage. The power tailgate ensures easy access to the load area. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration SB63RVF to book a test drive or request a video tour.